Hi there, thank you for joining me. So I'm going to be reading you the word problems this week, and then I will help with problem number 1. So before we get started, make sure that you have counters of some sort or a piece of paper or whiteboard to make these problems a little bit easier for you. It's always good to write down the number sentence, especially with word problems. Today for counters, I'm going to be using my Monopoly tickets. All right, so problem number 1. Robert collects 12 rocks. He finds 6 more for his collection. How many rocks does he have total? Number 2. There were 10 birds flying in a group. 4 birds left the group. How many birds were still in the group? And number 3. Ava Lee has 18 lollipops. She gives 8 to her friends. How many lollipops does she have left? All right, so if you did the math from yesterday, I showed you guys this awesome story problem table that I made to help navigate. Is it going to be an addition problem or a subtraction problem? So let's go back up to number 1 and let's see if we can solve that. All right, so Robert collects 12 rocks. So my first step is going to be to count 12 of my counters. All right, here are my 12 tickets, my 12 counters. He finds 6 more for his collection. 6 more for his collection. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see if I can see the words. He finds 6 more. Let's see. Oh, there's more than, and that's under addition. So I'm going to be adding. So I'm going to add 6 more tickets to my pile, and then I'm going to count that whole pile. So that's going to be how many rocks does he have total. All right. I hope that this goes well for you. If you've got any questions, let me know.